Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to delete a WhatsApp status update. Whether you've posted something by mistake or simply want to remove an update, this tutorial will walk you through the process quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once the app is launched, navigate to the Status tab. On most devices, you'll find this at the bottom or top of the screen, depending on your phone's layout. Next, tap on My Status. This will display all the status updates you've posted. If you've shared multiple updates, you'll see them listed here in chronological order. Now, locate the specific status you want to delete. To the right of each status, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. Tap on these dots to reveal a menu of options. From the menu, select Delete. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about deleting the status. Confirm your choice by tapping Delete again. And just like that, your status update will be removed. If you have more than one status update to delete, repeat these steps for each one. Alternatively, some versions of WhatsApp allow you to bulk delete statuses by selecting multiple updates at once. And there you have it. Deleting a WhatsApp status is that simple. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.